Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to discuss a question of generating all the combinations of a particular size. And people ask this question in the interviews. So we'll use the magic function that we had for binary and M array sequences to solve this question. And okay, so let's first figure out what are the different combinations. Let's say if we have n is equal to 2, which means that we want to have all the combinations of size 2, and there are two different A and B. So all the different combinations of size 2 of A and B would be A, B, B, A, and B, B. Okay, so these are all the four different combinations of size 2. Let's say if we have A, B, and C, and n is equal to 2. So all the combinations would be A, B, A, C, B, A, B, 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 C, C, A, C, B, and C, C. So these will be all the combinations, which is because there are 3 of these, so it will be 3 to the power 2, so which is equal to 9. So over here we have 9 different combinations. Now if we start looking into it, this increasingly starts looking as an M array sequence of where m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Okay, so like we discussed in the previous video, let's say m is equal to 3. So all the possible values of m would be 0, 1, and 2. So if n is equal to 2, m is equal to 3, and we have an m array sequence, so all the combinations would be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 0, 2, 1, and 2, 2. What we can do over here is if we map 0 as A, if we map 1 as B, and if we map 2 as C, then this combination would look like A, B, A, C, and B, A, B, 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 C, C, A, C, B, and C, C. So as we can see, these are all the combinations. So all we have to do is use that magic function for the M array sequence and map A to 0, B to 1, and C to 2. Okay, so let's see how we can do this in our coding. Okay, so we will have a function, public static void generate combinations, and we'll pass the value n, and we will pass a string str, which will have the 3 different or whatever values that we have. So first thing, we'll do the error condition. So we'll check if n is less than equal to 0 or string dot is null or empty str, we just return. Okay, so we have n right now. So now what we want to do is we want to create the result array. So integer result is equal to new integer of size n. Okay, so we have a result of size n, and then we will convert the string into a character array. So we'll say char arr is equal to new is equal to str dot to char array. Okay, so now we have result, we have array, and we have n. Okay, So now what we will do is we will actually call the recursive function. So we'll say generate all combinations, and all the combinations would be integer n, and result, and current is 0, and ARR would be the array. Okay, so now we want to write the recursive function. So we'll write private static void generate combinations, integer n, integer result, integer current, and character array. So for every recursive function, we'll write the base conditions first. So we'll say if current is equal to n, we just print combinations, and in the combinations we will actually pass the result array, and we'll pass the array. And we'll return from here. Okay, so let's write the print function. So we'll write private static void print combinations, integer result, comma, character array. So all we have to do, this is a simple function, all we have to do is just print this array. So for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than result dot length, and I plus plus, and console dot write ARR of result of I plus, let's put a tab, and console dot write line. Okay, so our print combination function is done. So next what we will do is we will write our for loop for the recursion and for the M array sequence. So for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than ARR dot length, and I plus plus. What we want to do over here is we want to set the result of the current location is equal to I, and once that value is set, we will say generate all the combinations for n, result, current plus 1, because we have set the current one, we want to set the next one, and ARR. Okay, so I think this function should work, and we will use it for the example that we just discussed. So we'll write generate combinations, and of size, let's say 2, and string is ABC. Okay, okay, so we have this. So in the end, what we should do, we should get is AAAB BA BB BC CA CB CC. So we'll run this and see if it actually works. So we have AAAB AC BA BB BC CA CB CC. So this generates all the combinations of ABC of size 2. And what we did is we used the magic function for the backtracking, and we just modified it a little bit. For the M array sequence, we just modified, and that's how it works. Okay, so the next video would be on generating all the permutations. Thank you for watching.